This is an all-new Race LE paddle for 2014. It's a 100% carbon race paddle. Right now 140 gram at full length, the lightest race paddle on the market. It's got no ABS rail, 7 degrees of blade angle, and it's got a narrow diameter round, 100% carbon shaft. It goes to oval in the handle area, pre-preg construction, very, very lightweight, very powerful paddle for its blade width.